kindness of little Zaid. A smile is a sadaqah. Small village with warm houses, trees, birds chirping, and a humble masjid nearby. Ma Fatima is sitting under a shady tree, telling a story to her grandson, Zaid. As the birds sing gently, she begins. Let me tell you a story of a little boy who changed his whole neighborhood with just one kind heart. Flashback begins. Scene 1. Lil Zaid is seen walking to the masjid with his father. On the way, he sees an old man struggling to carry groceries. Zaid immediately runs to help him. The old man smiles and says, "May Allah reward you, little one." Scene 2. At school, a new student, Amina, is sitting alone. The other kids ignore her because she is shy. Zaid walks up with a big smile and invites her to play. She finally smiles and says thank you. Scene 3. Zaid finds a stray kitten crying in the rain. He brings it home, dries it with a towel, and feeds it. His mom says, even kindness to animals is loved by Allah. Scene 4. Zaid notices the masjid cleaner, Uncle Kareem, looking tired. After prayer, Zaid stays back and helps clean the floor. Uncle Kareem wipes a tear and says, "You remind me of the Prophet, PBUH, always kind and helpful." Back to Grandma. Grandma smiles and says, "Kindness is like a light. It spreads from one heart to another. And remember, even a smile is a sadaqah." Zaid hugs his grandma and says, "I want to be like that, Zaid too, kind every day." She whispers, "You already are."